You don't have to go to that steakhouse near you in order to find a delicious steak dipping sauce. You can make this spicy steakhouse dipping sauce from the comfort of your own home with no mess, no fuss. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a steak sauce, a spicy steakhouse style dipping sauce. Buckle up, let's go! Alright, so let's begin. If you are looking for a quick and easy and no mess, no hassle steak sauce recipe, well, this is the one. You just pull everything out of the pantry, throw it in a bowl, mix it together, pop it in your mouth, you're ready to roll. Let's first start off with ketchup. It can't get any easier than that for a steak sauce. 1 cup or 280 grams. And next, for a little bit of spice, horseradish. This will give it a little bit of a kick. 2 tablespoons or 40 grams. And every steakhouse style dipping sauce for steak has a little bit of mustard. We're going to put in Dijon Mustard, 2 tablespoons or 40 grams. Next up to bat, to add a little bit of sweetness, dark brown sugar, 4 tablespoons or 50 grams. And of course, every sauce needs a little bit of salt and pepper, so a dash of pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon, and a dash of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon as well. And now to round out those flavors a little bit, some celery seed, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Sticking with that quick and easy steak sauce type recipe, instead of chopping up an onion, we'll put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. And the same thing applies to the garlic. Instead of having to chop up and mince the garlic, take a little garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon, in it goes, no mess, no fuss. And of course, the old staple for any sort of dipping sauce for steak, W sauce, Worcestershire Sauce, 1/3 of a cup, 83 milliliters. To give this homemade dipping sauce for steak a little bit of a zing, 2 tablespoons of Apple Cider Vinegar. There are so many people out there that just love steaks, and because of this, there is such a wide variety of different dipping sauces for steaks. This one's more of a spicy steak sauce. So sticking along the lines with that horseradish, we're going to add a little bit more spice, 2 teaspoons of Tabasco sauce to kick it up a notch a little bit. And as you can see, this homemade steakhouse style dipping sauce for steaks is just so easy to put together. I'm telling you, it's just no hassle. So that's pretty much it. We've thrown everything together. Now we give it a little bit of a mix. You can use a spatula, you can use a spoon, but let me let you in on a little bit of a secret. The best thing to use is a whisk. It really helps incorporate all the ingredients and just makes for a very smooth, delicious dipping sauce for steak. And it's always a good idea to let that sauce sit, let it infuse and marry all those flavors, so it's a good idea to let it sit at minimum at least an hour in the refrigerator, if not 1 to maybe 2 to 3 days, even better. Check it out, look at that deep, dark, red, spicy, homemade steakhouse style dipping sauce. Alright, well there you go. Now you know how to make this dipping sauce for steak. Go on out, give it a shot, come on back, let us know how it worked out for you. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this dipping sauce for steak recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember, as always, to live, love, and make gravy.